bro.
What's up?
That was so cool, bro. This you the first person I ever rode with, bro.
Oh, for real?
You, bro. Like, I was just coming to just ride, bro. And I see you, you see me, bro. I appreciate that, bro. That shit was fun as fuck.
Hell yeah.
Oh my goodness. Your shit is hard, though. What is that?
That's a 400, Ninja 400.
What?
Yeah.
That shit, the curvature on that hoe is crazy, bro.
I just got it. Hey, your bike is loud, bro.
Huh?
That shit's loud as hell.
Man, I appreciate it. It's got no fucking, it's got no muffler.
I saw that.
Yeah,
I saw that.
So I bought it for 500, bro.
Oh, for real?
Hell yeah, bro.
Oh shit.
I've been just working on this hoe, bro. I'm really trying to get cosmetically, get it right and shit.
Yeah.
Why I'm talking to this like down here,
Just look straight ahead of you.
If we don't get sponsored by Shell or Red Bull,
They're all looking at different things.
Y'all are all like... I got for like 2 more seconds and then...
I like it. What the hell?
He's up there.
Okay, hold on.
What kind of bike is that?
300.
Huh?
Ninja 300.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Y'all can just kind of talk or do whatever y'all want.
Hey, I hope you know if you fall, I'm going down too. This is not an efficient method.
Hell yeah. Alright, we can go back to the tunnels. Y'all are free. For now.
Freedom!
Freedom!
But in the winter, oh.
It's cold, bro. This is only like my 3rd or 2nd day riding in the cold, bro. I've been in the side, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro.
Dude,
Inside.
I had like 2 sweaters on and then a leather jacket
Yeah.
and then this hoodie over the leather jacket.
And it was still freezing.
Yes.
Parking area on this.
Yeah.
I got a backpack.
Oh shit, you mind?
Hell yeah.
You coming in clutch. Appreciate you. Hit for the other 200.
This one looks nice.
This is a beautiful night.
Got all nice and I'm gonna beat it over here.
He said, I'm not gonna be here over here.
My little garage party.
That's how I said it online.
What kind of female we're seeing?
Look at my shit. We're gonna be twins, bro. We're gonna be twins.
I was like, why don't you get plastics? I was like, why? So I'm gonna